Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to clean your room. Let's make room cleaning less daunting and more efficient. Did you know that a clean and organized space can reduce stress and improve productivity? Let's start with decluttering. Assess your room and create categories like keep, donate, recycle, and trash. Sort through your clothes and consider donating items you haven't worn in a year. Start from the top and work your way down when deep cleaning. Utilize underbed storage, closet organizers, and shelving units to maximize space. Make your bed each morning, put clothes away, and do a quick tidy up each day. Set aside time each week for vacuuming, dusting, and laundry. Remember, a clean room not only looks good but also promotes a sense of well-being and productivity. Happy cleaning!